Most people get this wrong. They assume Rapid Rush Pay is just another high-cost payday or BNPL app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's become a fast, reliable, and flexible platform for accessing short-term cash while helping users manage their payments responsibly. Here's how it works. Rapid Rush Pay allows users to request a short-term cash advance or split urgent payments into smaller installments. Funds are usually available within hours, making it ideal for emergencies like car repairs, unexpected medical bills, or urgent utility payments. The app provides clear repayment schedules and reminders so users never get caught off guard. Another advantage is the budgeting support. Rapid Rush Pay tracks your payment progress, upcoming payments, and even gives insights into your spending patterns. This makes it more than a simple cash advance. It's a mini financial planning tool for short-term needs. The downside, frequent or careless use can add up in fees. The key is to treat Rapid Rush Pay as a tool for occasional emergencies, not a regular spending source. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances you can repay on time. 2. Track repayment schedules carefully. 3. Use the app's insights to plan and monitor short-term finances. Who benefits most? Users with regular income who occasionally need fast cash. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may face higher costs. In conclusion, Rapid Rush Pay in 2026 is fast, practical, and flexible, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as an emergency tool, plan repayments carefully, and monitor your spending. Subscribe for honest reviews and smart financial tips.